Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about inheritance in programming. It's one of the core concepts of object-oriented programming that helps make our code more organized, reusable, and scalable. Inheritance allows one class to inherit properties and methods from another class. Think of it as a parent-child relationship. The child inherits characteristics from the parent, but can also have its own unique traits. Let's take a look at a detailed example involving a person and employee class. Step 1. Defining the base class. Imagine we have a person class. It has common properties that every person might have, such as name, age, and gender. It also has methods like introduce, where a person can introduce themselves. Step 2. Creating a derived class. Employee. Now, let's create a class called employee, which is a type of person. An employee has all the characteristics of a person, but also has some extra attributes and methods, like employee ID, position, and a method called work that describes what they do. By inheriting from person, the employee class automatically has access to the name, age, and gender properties, as well as the introduce method. But it can also add new attributes and methods specific to employees. Step 3. Using the classes. Let's create an object of the employee class and see how inheritance works in action. Explanation of what's happening. When we create an employee object, it inherits everything from person, so we don't have to redefine name, age, or gender. They're already included. By using superArrow init, we also ensure that the person class is initialized with the right values. The employee class can add new attributes like employee ID and position and introduce new behavior with the work method. So, why do you use inheritance? Code reusability. We didn't need to redefine common properties or the introduce method for employee. They were inherited. Extended functionality. We added new features to the employee class without modifying the person class. Hierarchical structure. We created a clear hierarchy where employee is a more specific version of person, promoting cleaner and more modular code. Conclusion. So, inheritance allows us to define common characteristics in a base class and then build on them in derived classes. In our case, employee inherited from person and added its own unique attributes and methods, making it easier to manage and scale our code.